Hello friends, I'm here with a brand new video on how to create and design a contact us page with wpform and Elementor. My name is Vakar and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Coding with Vakar. This is the contact page that we will design and create. We will learn how to create a contact form with wpform plugin, and we will create our contact us page, add contact details like phone number, WhatsApp and email address. Then we will learn how to design a contact form with the help of custom CSS. Also, we will learn how to add a Google map in contact us page so your customer find your business easily. Before starting the tutorial, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel Coding with Vakar and press the bell notification icon button so you guys can get the notification for my upcoming tutorials. Let's get started. This is our newly installed WordPress website dashboard. This is the place or area from which you manage your website. You can say this is the control panel of your website. Whether you are updating the content, customizing the design or managing the plugins. The dashboard provides all the tools you need to ensure your website runs smoothly. For this tutorial, I'm using the Astra theme. This theme is known for speed and flexibility. However, you are free to use any theme that you like. Let's start with installing our plugins that we need in this tutorial. Navigate to the plugin section, then click add new plugin. Let's search our first plugin, wpform. You can also use any other plugin like Contact Form 7. Just follow these simple steps. You can also design and customize contact form with the help of Contact Form 7, but for this tutorial I'm using the wpform. Here is our wpform. You can see it has 6+ million active installation and all 5-star rating is 13,000. Let's click to install now. Now our plugin has been installed. Let's search the other plugin that we need for this tutorial. Write Elementor. Here is our plugin Elementor. Elementor is a plugin that is used to build your website, elegant design and fully responsive websites. Let's click to install now. Now our plugin has been installed. Let's go to the installed plugin section. Then select this option in bulk and uncheck the light speed cache plugin. Then select the option activate, then click apply. Now our plugin has been activated successfully. Let's move to the next step, creating the contact form. Navigate to the wpforms, then click all forms, or you can also click to the add new. Let's go with the all forms. Currently we do not have any forms. Let's click add new. Here is the welcome message. Here is the option of giving the name of your contact form. Let's say it's a contact form, or you can say contact us. Then we have option of all templates, available templates, new templates. You can also go with the template form, or you can create your own blank form. Let's go with the simple contact form, use template. This is the default contact form given by the wpform. It has the name field, first and last name, email and comment or message option. Then we have option of submit button. On the left side you have the setup, fields, settings, marketing, payments, and here in the field option we have option of adding the fields that we require to add our in contact form, like single line text, paragraph, multiple choice, numbers, email, and these are the fancy fields that comes in the pro version. You have to buy the pro version of this contact form wpform. And in setup we have our contact form name and template that we choose the option of simple contact form before. Let's go to the field option. Now we have an option of name, email and message. Let's click to the name. In the name section, whenever you click to this field option, all the setting of that particular field opens on the left side. Here is the name, like label its name. You can change it whatever the label you want, like full name or whatever the text you want to write, you can choose it from here. Let's write full name, and you can also choose its format like first, last, and the simple is only full name. Then we have first, middle, last. Many people have the 3 names in their name, first name, middle name, and last name. You can also give this option. Let's remain to the first and last name. Then we have option of description, and here is the option of to make this field required. The customer and the visitor must enter their name. If you don't want this field to required, you can uncheck this option like this. Let's go to the advanced tab. Then in advanced tab we have an option of field size. By default its size is set to the medium. We also have a small, it's looking too small, and we also have option of large is looking good, and it sets according to the screen size. And later on we are using the elementor, so it will adjust its length according to the container. Then we have a placeholder like this. You can add first name. Then we have an option of last name placeholder like last name. Let's capitalize this character first name. Then we have default value. Then we have an option of adding the CSS classes. You can also define your CSS class for this option. Then we have an option of hide labels like this. The full name option will not show there, and you can also hide the sub labels like first and last showing here. Then we also have the show layouts. If you want to show these 2 fields in half of the contact form, you can use this like this one, WP form 1/2 form, and it will show in half section. Like this email will come in that place like this. If we go to email and advanced, then we choose the layout. And second, the name field will show here from this point to this point, and the email field will start from this point to this point. Let's remove our CSS classes. For this tutorial I'm using the full width contact form. Then also do it with the email address. Let's first go to the general. Then we also have the option of email, its description. Then we also have an option of enable email confirmation like this. Then we have advanced tab. In the advanced tab we also have the same option like its size, medium, small, large. Let's select to the large. Then we have an option of email like email address. Then we have an option of confirmation placeholder text. We can write like confirmation email. The default value you can add it. Then we have an option of remove the CSS classes that we have entered before. Let's hide this label and also the sub labels. Let's go to the add field options. Then let's add some drop downs or checkbox like you are giving some services. Let's add checkbox. Just drag and drop anywhere on the place you want to show on the contact form like this. Then click this input field. Then we have a label of checkbox. Select your services. Then we have option of first choice, second choice, third choice. You can also add the more choices from here. Then we have a use image choices like this. You can also choose the images from here, but images are not crop or resize. For best result they should be the same size and 250 by 250 pixels or smaller, because this is the very small area or place, so your image will good look. Let's close this option. Then we have a use icon choices, and here is the option of in order to use the icon choices feature, an icon library must be downloaded and installed. It's quickly easy. You can go with this process, click continue, and the further instruction will be given. Let's go with the default setting. You can also select to the required like this. Then we have advanced tab as well, 1 column, 2 column like this, and 3 columns, and inline. I think inline or 3 column is looking good. It adjusts according to the other field size. Then we have choice limit 1, 2, 3. You can select it like customer only required to select 1 option, 2 option, and 3 options. Then we also have the option of hide labels and enable disclaimer like this. Let's uncheck this option or toggle button. We will show the label because we are giving the option of selecting multiple choice, so customer will know that what is the option. Select your services like this. Then we also have option of numbers. Let's add number, and this field is not required because some of the customer or visitor are not interested in giving their phone number, so we will not make it required. Let's go to the advanced tab, then it says also the large, then write its placeholder text like enter your number. Then you can also hide your label like this. Then we have smart logics. It is a pro version. You need to upgrade to the pro version, but with free version of this contact form you can do a lot things. Our contact form is almost ready. Let's go to the comment section. Here is the comment or message. You can label your text here. You can change the label text from here. Let's go to the enter your message, or let's to the message, and this field is required. You can choose according to you. Let's go to the advanced tab, then also it says to the large and it will shown like this. Then we also have an option of adding the placeholder. Enter your message. Then we have an option of its limit length. You can choose according to your requirements. Then we have option of hide labels, and in the last we have option of submit button. Now our contact form almost ready. Let's go to the add field option. You can also use the captcha like this. Then we have a email option, numbers, multiple choice, drop downs. You can choose according to your requirements. Let's move to the setting option and then go to the general. Here is our contact form name, contact us. You can also add its description. You can choose text. You can change the submit button text from here like this, send, or you can also write send message. Then we have submit button processing text like sending. Then we have advanced tab. In advanced tab we have form CSS classes, submit button, CSS classes. Then we have spam protection and security. You can use these option. As captcha is also good and reCAPTCHA is also good. You can choose according to your requirements. Then we have themes. Let's move to the option of notifications. The email sent to email address from the admin emails. This is the email that you are using in your admin account in your WordPress dashboard, and this is the email subject line new entry contact us, and from name tutorial coding with Vakar you can write your own website name if you want to change it, and you can do the other setting. Multiple emails you can write it here. Then we have confirmations. In confirmation we have a confirmation message, thank you for contacting us, we will be in touch with you shortly, like this. This is the text that someone or some customer or some visitor fill the contact form and hit the submit button. This is the message that will show there to the visitors. You can choose it from here and customize according to your need and requirements. Now we have pretty done to the creating the contact form. Let's click to the save button. Then you can also have the option of preview. So here is our contact form preview. Here is our first name, last name, email address, confirmation email, and checkbox option, phone number, and send message. Let's go to the dashboard, then close this. Now in WP form we have one form, contact us, and you can also add new forms, and in the later video we will be using the shortcode to embed this contact form in other pages. Let's move to the another section of this tutorial, creating our contact us page and start designing and embedding our contact form. Let's move to the pages, then click add new page, then cross this, write its name like contact us, then click publish. Now our contact form has been created. Let's click to edit with Elementor, then click skip and cross this. Let's first add our container. You can also add it from this plus button, and you can also add to the container like this, drag and drop, then click 6 dot button. Then you can choose container layout, flexbox and grid. Let's remain to the flexbox and its content width to the full width. Then you can choose its minimum height from here like this. Let's select to the 400. 400 is looking big. Let's click to the 300 or maybe 200. Yeah, 200 is okay. 250 okay. Then we have a style option. In style option we have a background color. Let's select to the classic, then select its color to black or anything like this, or you can choose from here. And we also have this option, your hex code RGBA. Let's click to this. I think this color is looking good. Let's check. Yeah, it's full width. Then click to this plus button. Let's add some headings. Drag and drop it here. Then again go to the widget area, then search for the divider. Here is our divider. Then click to its width to 10 like this, and its alignment to left. Then click to style and its gap to 0 or minimum it's 2 required, and its width to 5 or 3. Let's input from the keyboard. Then you can also choose its color like this. I think white color is looking more attractive. Let's change the heading color and design. Here we can write our text. You can write any text you want. I'm writing the contact us. Then we have HTML tag like h1, h2. You can choose according to your requirements. You can choose a URL if you want to link this contact us. Then go to the style. Here is the option of changing its color. Let's stick to the white, or let's add some text shadow. Okay, let's go to the contact us and go to the advanced tab. Then click to the border, then click to the box shadow. Let's see how it's looking. No, it's not looking that much good. Just remove it. Then go to the color option. We can change it to black. The divider color is not looking that much attractive. Let's go to the advanced tab, then click to the margin, then click its margin top to minus. I think minus 10 is okay. Let's once again click to the 6 dot button, then set its full width to boxed. Yeah, it's looking more good. Let's click to the headings, then go to the advanced tab and uncheck this value and set its margin top to the something like in the middle, or you guys can also choose it from here in the layout section like this. Let's click to the contact us and click this link button and set to the 0, and go to the contact us again and go to the style tab, then its typography. Let's select some different font family. You can choose according to your requirements, according to your design. You can choose its size from here like this. Let's click to 40 and its weight set to the semi-bold. You can choose from here. Transformation like uppercase or lowercase. And something is not right in the text. Let's click to the contact. Its spelling is not correct. Contact us. Let's change its font to something different. Okay, this looks good. Then so our contact us page hero section is ready. Let's click to this plus button, then select the grid, then select to the 2 columns. Let's add some headings to it, like heading here. Let's first change this text. You can write your company name like Coding with Waqar. You can write your business name, your website name. Then go to the style option, then click its color to black or something like this. Then its typography to pop-ins. Something different from this heading, so it will differentiate. let's select to this, yeah. Then click again this plus button and search for the text. Here is our text editor. Just copy this dummy text and paste it twice so our paragraphs look more good. Then again copy and paste it, then enter and remove one space, or maybe like this, and go to the style tab, then click typography and font family to Poppins. Then let's change its color to black. Let's go to this plus button, then search for the icon box. Here is our icon. Let's search it from here. You can search any widget from here, like icon. Here is our icon box or icon list. Let's click to the icon box and drop it here. Then search for the phone, then click insert. Then we have an option of its view. It is set to the default. Let's check to the stack, or we can use frame as well. In frame we have option of circle, rounded and square. I think stack is looking good, and maybe it's circle. Yeah, it's looking good. And here is the option of changing its heading, like phone number, or you can write it call. I think phone is okay. Phone. Then we have our phone number, like plus any number you want to do it. You can choose and write the actual number. Let's set to the 1 2 3 4 and 9 1 3. It is some kind of looking binary numbers. I just gave the dummy number, but you have to write the actual number for your customer or for your visitors with country code and the number. You can also give the option to directly call from, just click customer needs to click the phone number. Just write the tell in the link option like this, then click / and enter the phone number. First enter the country code and remove the spaces. Now you can see the phone number is the option of link. Whenever customer or your visitor click this phone number, and it will be directly call from their phone dial pad, and if they are using any phone application in the laptop or computer, so it will be called from that application as well. Let's go to the style tab, then it's side to the left, and you can choose its position in the middle, in the bottom. I think bottom is looking good. You can choose its alignment like this, left, right. I think left it's okay. And its icon spacing like this, you can choose it. Then we have content spacing like this. Let's stick to the default. Then we have an option of icon. Let's change its color to something like this, and the secondary color of phone like to the green. I think green is look more attractive. And we have an option of content color designing and other styling. Let's change it to the black, and also its font family to the Poppins. Then we have an option of its description that we used like this. And also change its font family to Poppins. Let's change the size of the box to a little bit smaller like this, and click to the description, and its padding like this. You can choose according to your designing. You can also rotate the icon like this. Let's go to the box, and icon spacing it's like, and contact spacing like this. Then go to the content, click to the typography and change its size to 1/8, or let's make it little bit bigger. I think 22 is okay. Then simply click to this pen button or right click to this pen button, then duplicate or copy. Let's click to the duplicate, then one more time to duplicate, then click phone, then choose its icon to WhatsApp, then click insert. Then we have title like WhatsApp. You can give your WhatsApp number here. Let's click to the phone. Let's change its icon to something different because it's not look the same. Let's search again for phone. Okay, we only have the fill icons like this, and you can also upload the from my libraries. Let's cross this and go to the WhatsApp option, then click WhatsApp again. Let's click this WhatsApp icon because it's a WhatsApp with outline color, and this WhatsApp icon is filled with color. Let's click to the insert, then click this pen button, then click this icon, then search for envelope, then click this envelope, then click insert. You can write email address here like this, and you can write example 123@gmail.com. whatever the actual email address you have, you can write it here. Then if you want your customer to just click this email option and they can directly send email to you, let's copy the email address. Then in the link description just write mail to : then type your email address, then close this, just click. So the email application like Outlook and any other email application you are using in your phone or in your laptop or desktop, it will directly open. Then go to your again the settings, then click this pen button, then go to the advanced tab, then link values together to uncheck this, and margin to up to somewhere 20, and also to this go to the advanced unlink and write it 20 here directly. Yeah, it's look more good. Also add some spacing in the coding with Vakar heading like this, or we can write 50 like 50. Yeah, it's looking more good. Now we have successfully completed the first column heading with some tags, phone number, contact details, email and WhatsApp number. In the second column we will be adding our contact form. Let's click to this plus button to add our widgets, then search for the WP form. Here is our WP form. Just drag and drop it here, then select your contact form, contact us. Now it is showing here. Let's see how it is looking. Yeah, it's looking good and attractive. Let's click to this publish button. Let's click again to this 6 dot button, then uncheck the value and make bottom margin to 100. Then add some new area or new layout like flex box or grid. Let's click to the flex box. You can also add some Google map option or something else. Let's add map. For Google map we need to add the location here. You can choose it from here like this. Yeah, it's looking good and attractive. Then you can choose its zoom option like this. I think the default value is good. By default it's set to the London Eye. You can choose your own location, your business, your company. Then we have an option of adding our footer. You can choose it from here. I think our contact form is pretty much ready. Let's start designing and customizing this contact form. For designing this contact form we need to go to our website. Let's click to the dashboard and also click to the exit to WordPress, then click view pages, then go to the appearance, then click to the customize option. Then we have option of additional CSS. Here we will write our CSS for contact us page. Here is our contact us page. Let's go to the dashboard and visit our site. By default we have only one page, contact us. Then right click and click to the inspect element, and let's set it to the bottom navigation. Normally it is used in JavaScript for developer debugger. You can adjust this option according to your screen size and your requirement. Whatever the design or layout you like, you can choose it from here. I am choosing the bottom navigation. Then click this arrow button. Then click to this field option. Then simply click this plus button. We will write our own CSS. Like first write border none to remove its border, then write border bottom, then first write its width like 5px and its solid, then write its color to red, or I think red is not looking that much attractive. Let's click this red color, then click to this pen button. Then we will choose our color from here like this, then click enter. Change its width to something 3px, or we can also copy this line and write border left and also its value to 3px solid and its color value to hash B640. You can also choose like this. I think it's not looking that much good. Let's remove this. Then we have an option of adding its width, like width to 100%, and its color to something you want, like red, like this. Whenever we enter our field, it will show in red color, but let's remain to black. I think black is looking more good. Or let's change the border bottom color to I think this color is more good, and also the red is not looking good. Let's copy our CSS, then go to our additional CSS option and paste it here. Let's remove the commit CSS, and again go to our contact us page. Again select this arrow button and click to the last name field and just click to the plus button and copy its CSS. Then again go to the customize option, then enter here, like then in classes or ID just type comma, then paste it. So it will reduce the CSS code and our website will not come to very slow and the website will be very fast. Then again go to the contact us, then click to this input field as well, then click plus button and copy this ID or input field, then again type comma and paste it. Then again go to the contact us page and select this time message area, then click plus button and copy, then again type comma and paste it like this. Then this time click to the email as well, just click this plus button, just copy the input field of WP form, then type arrow and paste it here. Then again go to the confirmation email as well, just click this plus button, copy and type comma and paste it. Yeah, it's looking more attractive and good. Now let's move to the next option, like select your services, these checkbox options. Just go to the contact us page, then click to this text, then click plus button, then type its CSS color, like color to green. It's working. No, it's not working. Let's click to the important. Yeah, it's working. Important is a keyword you can say in CSS that we tell the browser to use this CSS instead of the default CSS. Let's click to this important and change its color to something different, like this gray that we used before, like hash B640. Just go to your additional CSS option and copy its color from here, like this. Then click this arrow button again and this time click to the first choice option, then again click to the plus button, and same like oops, we have forgotten to copy our CSS. Just copy this input field, then paste it here, and its color to this. Then select this first choice option, then click plus button, then copy this and paste it here. Just click publish, then refresh our page. Yeah, it's looking good and attractive. Let's again click to the inspect element. This time we will design our submit button option like send message. Just click arrow button and click to the send message, then click this plus button and type its width to 100%. Like this. Then its color, background color to, or something like that we are using in heading, like this. Just hit enter button. Then we can also add its width and text color like color to black. I think white is okay. Let's copy our CSS. Then click publish. Yeah, our contact form is looking good. Let's add some background image and some text. Go to our pages option, then click all pages, then click contact us, edit with elementor, then go to this column, then go to the style tab and click classic, then click its image, then go to media library. You can choose your image from here, or you guys can also upload from your PC. Just drag and drop the file here. Let's select this image, then click select. Now our background image has been added successfully, but it's not looking that much good and attractive. Let's click to its image resolution medium or medium large, or position its center and its attachment to default, then repeat to no repeat, then display size contain or cover. I think cover is looking more good. Then just click this column again and go to the advanced tab, then select its padding to something 50, or 50 is look like too much. Let's write 30. I think 30 it's looking more good. Let's click to the publish button, then go to our contact us page, just refresh it, then again click to the inspect element, then just click this form and input field like background none. Let's copy this background to none to our CSS here. Then click publish, then go to the page and refresh it. Okay, let's click to this contact form, then click to the plus button and type its background color to RGBA and colon and write its value. I'm writing the white color background like this, and it's divided by 40%. Yeah, it's looking good. Okay, then write next property like backdrop filter to blur and its value to 4. I think yeah, 4 is looking good. Then write its padding like 30 px from all side and its border radius to something like 20 px. Let's copy our CSS, then paste in the additional CSS. Let's go to the contact us form again. Yeah, it's looking good. Let's change our input field bottom color to black. Yeah, black is looking more attractive. Then simply copy this input field ID, then paste it here and write double colon placeholder, then write its value to color white or maybe black. Let's write important. Yeah, it's looking more good. Then simply copy all the IDs of input field and do it same. Then click publish button and refresh our page. Let's select this again and click plus button, and this is our legend.wpform class. Then here is our class. Let's change it to the black also. Yeah, it's looking good. Then click publish. Let's cross this. Yeah, our contact form is looking good. Select your services, enter your number, enter your message, and we have already done with hero section like contact us and some contact details like phone, WhatsApp number, email address. On the right hand we have designed the contact form with WP form. And we can also use this dark red color in the bottom border color. It is up to you, whatever the color you like you can choose according to your requirements and design. And in the end we have designed and added the Google map. So we have successfully designed and created our contact us page. It's looking good. I must say that you guys have learned something from this video tutorial. If you're stuck at any point or if you want to ask anything about this tutorial, you can ask me in the comment section. Before going, make sure you hit the subscribe and bell icon button so you guys can get the notification of my upcoming videos.